You know what is this food?
唐揚げ
Karage.
チキンフライ
Chicken fry.
唐揚げイコールチキンフライジャパニーズチキンフライ
Japanese chicken fry. Can you order for me?
あ、OK
Yeah.
ノーマル唐揚げノーマル
Nomaru.
ノーマル唐揚げ
OK
普通の唐揚げを一つでネギ塩を一つ
I'm excited to see if I like it or not. I eat whole thing. I eat one bite. One. Two bites. Okay. 2 bites. Okay. Mmm. So delicious. So good. So, what do you guys do today?
今日today
Yeah, today.
play カードゲーム
Yu-Gi-Oh! I know Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah, I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah. Can I come to card shop with you?
OK
Okay, cool. Yeah. Hachikai.
8回
Cool. Okay.
GO 8回カードラボ
Okay, so welcome everybody to the card shop.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Zone.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Zone. Cool. So you have a backpack just for Yu-Gi-Oh!
Yes
This is where you can buy, but wow, so many people play over here. What is this? You're an instructor. This is crazy. There's an instructor here. They're basically gambling for different cards. There's intensity in the air here.
プレゼントジャパニーズ遊戯王カードゲーム
Most famous card. Oh, thank you so much. So, this is. Whoa.
ブラックマジシャン
Oh, just holding this card, my heart is just. It feels so warm. We go? Okay, cool. Let's do it.
I'm comedian
Comedian.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Yes.
Go
Okay. Yes.
Look
Yes. Go look.
Okay.
All right. So I think we're going to a comedy show now.
My name is Sayaka.
Sayaka. Bobby.
Bobby. Yeah.
You like Bobby?
Bobby. It's good. Bobby.
It's a good. It's a good name.
Yeah, good name.
Good. It's a good name. All right. Where should we sit?
Bobby. Bobby.
Bobby thank you Waki Yabure Onda
The spotlight's now on me. What's going on? Oh! I don't know what I'm doing. That was awesome. So amazing. Thank you so much. Yes. I loved hanging out with you guys. Yeah, it was so fun. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Oh man, that was freaking awesome.